Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the temporary files in your Windows 11 here. So delete the temporary files. First, you need to go to search bar here. Then you need to search here for %temp here. So first you need to type percentage here. Then type temp here. And again, you have to type percentage here. So %temp and percentage, and you will have the option of file folder, which is %temp here. So just click on it, and after that it will open the temporary file. So these are all the temporary files that you have to delete here. So first of all, just right click on it, choose all the file here. So choose all the file here, then just right click on it and just click delete here, and this will delete all the temporary file here. So some of the file will not be deleted here, so don't be aware about that. So just keep here and just keep there. Some of the file will be important from the Windows 11, but other than that you can just skip here. So that's it guys, this is how you can delete all the temporary file in your Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.